Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install Microsoft Clarity on WordPress by adding the tracking code directly to your site. No Clarity plugin needed. This is great if you already use a code management plugin or you just don't want to add more plugins. I have made a detailed video explaining 3 options that how you can connect your Clarity with your website. I will leave the link to that video in the description below. You can go to that video and watch it if you want to dig deeper. Okay, so now let's get started with our tutorial. Visit clarity.microsoft.com, and if you already have an account, then log into your Clarity account. If you don't have, then it will ask you to sign up with the Microsoft, Facebook or Google account. I already have an account and I am logged in, so I go to my projects, and here in your projects you have to create a new project. In my case, I am just going to create for tutorial purpose, so I gave a name, project name to tutorial website, and then in my website URL I paste the link to my website, which is this one, and then I select the industry. In my case it belongs to careers and education. You can select the one that best describes you, and then click on add project, and then you will be on this screen which says almost there. So here you will see 3 options. We need to inject the code to our website, so we click on install manually and get tracking code. So this is the code we have to add in our website. Copy this to clipboard. So now let's go to our website. So I am in my website dashboard. Now there are 2 ways to add this to a WordPress website. The recommended way is using any code management plugin. If you are already using like WP Code or a header and footer plugin, in my case I am using Fluent Snippets, so I will go with it. So you have to go to your code management plugin. So if you don't have, then you can install the one. You can install WP Code, or there are other plugins like header and footer, so you can install them and then simply add your snippet. In my case I am adding it as a JavaScript. As you see that it is a JavaScript snippet, so let's give it a name Clarity, and here you can also describe it. So here it says where to run. So we want to run it in the header, because here if you see in instruction it says copy and paste the Clarity code into the head element of your site. So if you are using a code management plugin, then you will see something like this. So you have to select that one and then create a snippet, and then okay, here you can see that my request has been blocked because I am using a security plugin, but I add action to allow list, and after that it will be created. In your case you might not see that warning. So my snippet has been created, and then I can click on activate. Okay, so now here you can see that your snippet has been published and your Clarity code has been added to your website. So here I can turn it on again. So this is the one way. The second way is going directly into your theme files. Let me turn this off, and here you can go to your theme files in appearance and in theme file editor, and here you have to select your theme. Okay, so here in header.php we need to paste this code just above the head closing tag. So here you can see our head closing tag. So here you have to paste your tracking code, and after that click on update file. So this method works, but be careful. One small mistake can break your site, and if your theme updates, your changes will be wiped. So if you go with this way, 2 things are most important. Use a child theme and always take a backup before touching anything. So if you are fully comfortable doing this, stick with this option. If not, then you can use any code management plugin. In our case we used Fluent Snippet. So now once the code is added, let's go back to Clarity, and here let's refresh. Before doing this, let's open our website in a new browser or a new window and do some activity so that it captures some data. Okay, so I am here on my website in a new browser. Okay, after performing some activity, let's go back to our Clarity dashboard again and refresh. And here you can see that it says one user is online. So this confirms that our Clarity code has been added to our website, and you can click here on watch now. And once you click on the session, then here you can see you can play the live recording. Here you can see that this is what we just did on the website. So that's how you install Clarity, by adding the code directly no extra plugin needed if you are using any code management plugin or you are comfortable adding this to your theme files. But if you want to see, but make sure if you touch any theme files, then be careful, because a small mistake can break your website. And if you want to learn more and dig deeper, I have another detailed video in which I have explained 3 methods that how you can connect your Clarity to your website. I will leave the link to that video in description below. You can watch it and dig deeper. Okay, so if you have successfully installed Clarity on your website, then tell me in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to get notified whenever I post a new video.